How to customize individual style for a button in Android when all of them have been set up with common style in themes.xml file. Please watch the video, I will guide you in detail. Now, I want to make the equal sign button orange instead of white and also have a ripple effect when the button is pressed. In the previous video, I showed you how to create a drawable file called ripple button default. First step, you duplicate that file, name it, for example button equal background, and change the default color of the button to another color. For example, I will give it orange. Next step, I will change the button to another button type, for example AppCompat button. Image button or AppCompat image button in Android, and set the background attribute for it to reference the XML file just created in the previous step. Remember to change the text color accordingly. Done. Here is the result. The equal sign button has turned orange while all the other buttons are white. If you find this video useful, don't hesitate to like and follow me so you don't miss out on useful and completely free programming videos.